Expand the logarithm as much as possible and rewrite the expression as a sum difference or product of the logs. Okay. Let's see. See how you've got this 1 over a 25 raised to the k? I'm actually going to use the exponent rule that says if you have 1 over x to the n power, that will equal x to the negative n power. And I'm going to change this to the natural log of 25 to the negative k power. And then, now that I have a natural log of 25 raised to a power, I am going to use the logarithm rule that says the natural log of x raised to the nth power will equal n times the natural log of the x. I guess it can be in parentheses or out parentheses, whatever. So I'm not going to use that rule, and this negative k is going to go out in front. So this is going to equal negative k times the natural log of a 25. I don't think they want me to change that 25 to a 5 squared. Do they? I don't think so. Let's go back to Mobius and see what they want. So I'm going to type in here negative k, and then I'm going to put the multiplication sign in here because it's not liked it when I haven't done it in the past. 25. And how did I do? Didn't like it. I am going to guess. Well, let me check first. Let me take out. No, that has to be in there. Otherwise, it looks like KLN. It's got to be still wrong. Yeah. Okay. All right. 25. 25 is a 5 squared. And now I've got this 2, so he is also gonna go out in front. So what I'm gonna have is negative 2k times the natural log of a 5. Now let's see if they're liking my answer. Let's see. Delete that 2 and then put the multiplication sign back in, and I'm going to put a multiplication sign in there too. Negative 2 times k times the natural log of 5. There we go. There we go. Now you'll notice on their problem here, they used the division rule on logarithms. They said take the natural log of the numerator minus the natural log of the denominator. But then they had to remember that the natural log of 1 is 0. And 0 minus all this stuff would be a negative all this stuff. So it works that way too. Remember, there's no rule about which exponent rule to use. Well, the same thing works for logarithms. There's really no rule that says you have to, you know. Actually, I use the exponent rule. Yeah, I use the exponent rule. Okay, anyway, that's that.